conversation takes place in New York, because I can't picture us anywhere else. You were always drawing, on anything you could find. Those symbols had meaning only for you.
Run, I would have to swim.
I love to swim. This is why I miss Tel Aviv so much, the sea.
You're a fish in water?
Yeah. How about you?
Me, I can't swim. Hasan Hourani.
What about the beach in Gaza?
I've been to the sea 3, maybe 4 times in my whole life.
The awareness that I was Israeli and you were Palestinian hit me once again.
Come on, I won't throw you in the sea for that. At home it must be 30 degrees now.
I know. I miss that heat in my bones.
What's this?
Every little coincidence has significance for you, like clues in a mystery story.
Come on, follow the arrow.
Where are we going?
We'll find out.
Beautiful. But why?
Because this is just what I needed. So I could ask you to join me for coffee.
What?
Until now, I only had 1 chair and I wouldn't have asked you to sit on the floor.
Son, you're crazy. Wow, what's all this?
It's a children's book I'm writing.
What's his name?
Sultan, maybe Rayhan.
How about Hasan?
Yeah, Hasan Everywhere.
I was dazzled looking at those paintings. There was no doubt you and I came from the same neighborhood. I could almost taste the smooth, dry air in the hills around Jerusalem. Almost hear the breeze turning the pale, silvery leaves in the olive grove. The light touch that cracks open the flesh of ripe figs. How ironic that it should be with you, of all people. That I could admit to myself how attached I am to Israel. That I could find in my voice a true love of home.
I really do believe that you and we have to share the sea. We have to learn to swim in it together.
وفا انت جاي على السوق؟ ماشي بنشوفك ان شاء الله.
At last, I was filled with a physical need for the warmth of the sun.
You're going home?
We simply said home now. Not Israel or Palestine. We meant the same place. But we both knew that even though Ramallah and Tel Aviv are less than an hour apart by car, it would be very hard for us to meet. We arrived 3 weeks apart. You came to Jaffa, to the sea, with your brother Wafa, your friend Karma, and your nephew Samar. The sea is different from the sea I left. Since then, The water itself has seemed deeper. Knowing that you could not save Stammer, you could not even save yourself. This haunts me, constantly. But your death has conquered this sea, that now dominates the entire expanse before my eyes. My dearest Hasan, you entered and left my life so quickly that now I think I imagined you. Yalla, babe. See you in the next world.
Not in the next world. Next time we meet, it'll be in Jaffa. We'll sit by the sea and eat fish.